2019 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power liftgate, traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cold weather package, center armrest, fog lights, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, trip computer, CD player, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, cargo mat. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.